guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. I'm so very happy. You guys are the best. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome to the family. My name is Waya Solution. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you so much. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate you. I'll be praying for all my subscribers, all my viewers. 2021 is going to be a great year for every one of us. Anything you're looking for, God Almighty will grant it for every one of us. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed. In today's video, I'll be teaching about a powerful and magical remedy to eliminate sleepless nights. Are you out there experiencing sleepless nights? You'll be staring at the ceiling, rolling from the bedside to the other side. You couldn't sleep. With this simple remedy, I assure you, you're going to sleep like a baby. This remedy takes just only 10 minutes to prepare. Okay, all you have to do is just get one ripe banana. Okay, organic banana, the one that is chemical free. Okay, get your ripe banana. I couldn't get banana from the neighborhood, but I'll be explaining it for you guys so that you guys out there will understand it perfectly. Okay, as you get your ripe banana, then you prepare a boiling water. You can use your kettle or your pot. Okay, just put just 1 cup of water. Okay, then you start to boil. As you're boiling, you take your banana. You see that head, you use your knife to cut it off. Then and you see that the bottom, that nyash, you cut it off. Okay, then you place your banana inside that boiling water. Okay, you boil for like 10 minutes, just only 10 minutes. Okay, banana peas contains magnesium and potassium, especially magnesium. It has this mineral that is responsible for relaxation of the body. Okay, so as you prepare this remedy, see that water, after you boil for like 10 minutes, that water you pour it into a cup or a mug. Okay, you will take it 1 hour before bedtime. Okay, before you sleep, take it 1 hour before you sleep. I assure you, you're going to sleep like a baby if you take this simple remedy. In fact, you have sweet dreams. Okay, you're going to sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. No need for buying those sleeping pills every time again. Okay, I decided to share this knowledge to the world so that people out there that is experiencing this sleepless nights, you can be doing this every night. I assure you, you're going to sleep perfectly. This is magical. In fact, I call this recipe magic because it performs magic. Okay, if you're experiencing these sleepless nights, just prepare this remedy. I assure you, you're going to sleep perfectly well and have sweet dreams. Okay, please guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. You guys are the best. If you have not yet subscribed, if you are watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I upload videos like this. Okay, I have a lot of content. In fact, I have a lot of knowledge, a lot of videos I'm yet to upload. You guys keep sharing my videos. Let's go viral together. Okay, I will be dropping powerful videos so that you guys out there will gain a lot of knowledge. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop your positive comments. I'll be replying every comment. Okay, keep sharing my videos, guys. Please keep sharing my videos. Share this video out there. A lot of people out there need this information. A lot of people out there, they are experiencing these sleepless nights. Okay, by sharing this information, you will save a lot of people. Okay, you will save a lot of people. Please keep sharing, subscribe, like. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. Compliment of the season, guys. See you guys. Take care.